How to fix message unavailable on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Then click on the message icon at the top right corner of your screen. In here, simply click on the chat where you'll find message unavailable. Try clicking on it again. Sometimes Instagram has bugs. And what you can think is the person who posted the post may have deleted it. So that's why it shows Instagram message unavailable. Also, the person who posted may have privated the video. One thing what you can do is open Play Store, search Instagram. And if there is any update available, update your Instagram app. Sometimes not updating app may cause that kind of issue. This is how to fix Instagram message unavailable. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.